Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished chapter number 16 named kinematics. We did all exercises with all questions and all parts. Today we are going to start another very important chapter number 13 named vectors. Vectors is not new for you because you did lot of vectors in your physics course, but in this chapter you have to do vector algebra and some special kind of vectors as well. So without wasting my time in these examples, I am going to start exercise 13.1 directly. You know, vectors are those quantities which have associated both magnitude and direction as well. So vectors means magnitude along with direction. Exercise 13.1, question number 1. Write each vector in the form of AI plus BJ. Very easy. See the diagram AB. So AB means if you draw the line from A to B, or if you join the points A and B, you can see for x-axis this is 1 unit and for y-axis this is -1, -2, -3. So AB is 1 and -3, but we have to give the answer in the form of AI plus BJ. It is very easy. Multiply 1 by I, you will get I into 1 is I, -3 into j is -3j. So I minus 3j is our final answer of vector AB. Similarly B part is AC. Now I am going to write answer directly without showing in terms of column vector. AC. So count first x values 1, 2, 3. So x is 3, so 3i, and y is -1, -2. So 3i minus 2j is our final answer of part B. Part C is AD. So join A to D. What is the distance on x-axis from A to D? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4i and only 1 unit in bottom, therefore it is -j. So 4i minus j is our final answer. Part D. Part D is AE. A to E. So A to E is only the x-axis distance. There is no y distance, or only and only 2 squares from A to E. So the answer is 2i only. Okay. Now part E. Part E is BE. B to E. So where is B? This is B, this is E. So B is 1. On x-axis is 1, so it is I. And on y-axis 1, 2, 3. I plus 3j. kindly keep in mind, when we goes to bottom we have to write y values minus, and when we goes from right side we have to write positive x-axis, and for left side negative x value, and for above side or upside the positive y value. Part F, DE, DE. Where is D? This is D, this is E. So for D is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2i plus j, because left side is minus and above side is or upside is plus. So minus 2i plus j is the answer. Part G, E, A. So just see the answer of part D. AE is 2i, then EA obviously minus 2i. So this is the opposite vector of AE. Now see the concept. Opposite vector means we just multiply the given vector by the negative sign. Part H, D, B. So D is here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3i, and B minus 1, minus 2, minus 2j. So minus 3i, minus 2j. Last part I, DC. Where is D? Over here. It is minus 1 and minus 1. So minus I minus j is the final answer. So this is the answers of question number 1, all parts from A to I. Now you can see the easiest concept, very easy concept of question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the magnitudes of each of these vectors. Part A, minus 2i. How to find the magnitude of the vector? Just take the coefficient of I, that is minus 2, apply square and apply root. So minus 2 square is plus 4 and 4 root is 2. So 2 is the answer of part A. Part B, 4i plus 3j. Now 4 square plus 3 square, square root. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. And 25 root is 5. Part C, 5i minus 12j. So again I coefficient is 5, 5 square plus j coefficient is minus 2, minus 2 square. So 5 square is 25 and 2 square is, sorry, not 2, it is minus 12. I am sorry. So 5 square is 25 and minus 12 square is 144. 144 plus 25 is 169 and 169 root is 13. So the answer is 13. Part D, minus 8i minus 6j. Coefficient of I is minus 8 square. Coefficient of j is minus 6 square, square root. Minus 8 square is 64, minus 6 square is 36. 64 and 36 is 100 and 100 square root is 10. This is the answer. Part E, 7I plus 24j. So it is 7 square plus 24 square square root. What is the answer? So 7 square plus 24 square is 625, and 625 root is 25. This is the answer of part E. Move to part F. So 15I minus 8j. So 15 square plus minus 8 square. 15 square is 25. 15 square is 225 and 8 square is 64. So final answer is 289 square root. 289 square root is 17. Now part G. Part G is minus 4I plus 4j. So minus 4 square plus 4 square. Minus 4 square is 16 plus 16, 32. And 32 can be right 4 root 2. 4 root 2. This is the answer. Move to last part H. I am doing over here. H is 5I minus 10j. So it is 5 square plus minus 10 square square root. Final answer is 10 square is 100 and 5 square is 25. So it is 125 root, and 125 root can be right 5 root 5. So these are the answers of question number 2, all parts. So again, question number 2 you can see very easy. Move to question number 3. What is question number 3? The vector AB has a magnitude of 20 units. So A, B, this is the sign of magnitude. It is given is 20 and is parallel to the vector 4I plus 3j. Now assign the name of this vector is CD. So according to question, vector AB is parallel to vector CD. Vector AB is parallel to vector CD. Students, if two vectors are parallel, it means they are multiple of each other. So I am going to write multiple means say H. HCD. H is a number. Multiple means any number. It can be negative, it can be positive. Now our target is to find the value of H first. So apply the magnitude on both sides. AB magnitude is given 20 and CD magnitude we can find over here. 4 square plus 3 square square root. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25, root 25, root is 5. So CD magnitude is 5. So H multiplied by CD magnitude is 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Therefore the value of H is 4. Now how to find the AB? AB is H, we have find 4 multiplied by CD vector, which is given 3i plus 4i plus 3j. Therefore AB is equals to 4 4 the 16i, 4 3 the 12j. This is our final answer of question number 3. Hope you understand. Move to question number 4. Question number 4 is same just like question number 3. The vector PQ has magnitude of 39. So PQ vector magnitude is given 39 and is parallel to the vector 12i minus 5j. Find the vector PQ. So assign the name of this vector 12i minus 5j is, can say, RS. If two vectors are parallel, then they are multiple of each other. So PQ is equals to H time RS. Now we have to find the magnitude of RS. 12 square plus minus 5 square root 12 square is 144 minus 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. 169 root is 13. So this is the magnitude of RS. So PQ magnitude is given. PQ is given 39. H time RS magnitude we just find, which is 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are 39. So H is equals to 3. Therefore PQ vector is H is 3 multiplied by RS vector is 12i minus 5j. 12 threes are 36i, 3 fives are 15j. So 36i minus 15j is our final answer. Move to question number 5. Find the unit vector in the direction of each of these vectors. So what is unit vectors? A vector whose magnitude is 1 is called a unit vector. So part A is 6i plus 8j. So first we have to find the magnitude of this vector. 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. How to find unit vector? Just divide the vector by its own magnitude. By its own magnitude. So vector is 6i plus 8j and magnitude is, we have find 10. Taking common 2 from the numerator, 3i plus 4j upon 10. 2 5s are 10. The final answer is 1 upon 5 into 3i plus 4j. This is the value of the unit vector. Similarly, do all parts in this way. Part B is 5i plus 12j. So 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, so it is 169. 169 root is 13. Therefore, unit vector is 1 upon 13 into the given vector 5i plus 12j. This is our final answer of part B. Move to part C. Minus 4i minus 3j. So minus 4 square plus minus 3 square root. Minus 4 square is 16, minus 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 root is 5. Therefore, the unit vector is 1 upon 5 into minus 4i minus 3j. Minus 1 upon 5 plus into 4i plus 3j is our final answer. Part D. 8i minus 15j. 8 square minus 15 square, square root. Eight square is 64, 15 square is 225, the answer is 289. 289 root is 17. Therefore, the unit vector is 1 upon 17 into original vector is 8i minus 15j. So 1 upon 17 into 8i minus 15j is our final answer. Last part E. 3i plus 3j. So 3 square plus 3 square root 9 plus 9, which is 18, and 18 means 18 root means 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Therefore, the final answer is 1 upon 3 root 2 is 3i plus 3j. Moreover, taking 3 is common, I plus j upon 3 root 2. 3 cancel by 3. 1 upon root 2. I plus j, or 1 upon root 2 can be right root 2 upon 2. This is not necessary, but answer in the book is in this form. 1 upon root 2 and root 2 upon 2 both are same. So student, this is question number 5. We did all part successfully. Move to question number 6. is equals to 8I minus 6J, Q is equals to minus 2I plus 3J, R is equals to 10I. Find part A. 2Q, 2 multiplied by Q is minus 2I plus 3J. Very easy part. 2 to the minus 4I, 2 3 the 6J. This is our final answer. Actually, this is vector algebra. Answer in the book is 4I, which is obviously wrong. Okay, move to part B. 2P plus Q. So 2 into P is 8I minus 6J plus Q is minus 2I plus 3J. 2 8s are 16I, 2 6 are 12J minus 2I plus 3J. 16 minus 2 is 14I, minus 12 plus 9 is minus 9J. So 14I minus 9J is our final answer. Part C is 1 upon 2P minus 3R. So 1 upon 2 P is 8I minus 6J minus 3R. R is 10I. So 2 4s are 8, 4I, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6J, and 3 10s are 30I. So minus 30 plus 4 is minus 26I minus 3J. Minus 26I minus 3J is our final answer. Move to last part D. D part is 1 upon 2R minus P minus Q. So 1 upon 2R is 10I minus P is 8I minus 6J minus Q is minus 2I plus 3J. So 2 5s are 10, 5I minus 8I minus minus plus 6J minus minus plus 2I minus plus minus 3J. 5I plus 2I is 7I, 7 minus 8 is minus 1, so minus I. 6J minus 3J is 3J. So minus I plus 3J is our final answer of part D. So again, you are witness a very easy question. Move to question number 7. Question number 7 is P is equals to 9I plus 12J, Q is equals to 3I minus 3J, R is equals to 7I plus J. Find part A, magnitude of P plus Q. So P is 9I plus 12J plus Q is 3I minus 3J. 9 plus 3 is 12I, 12 minus 3 is 9J, and magnitude means coefficient of I is 12 squared, coefficient of 9 J is 9 squared, so 12 square is 144, 144 plus 9 square is 81, it is 225, and square root of 225 is 15. This is the final answer of part A. Part B is find the magnitude of P plus Q plus R. P is 9I plus 12J plus Q is 3I minus 3J plus R is 7I plus J. 9I plus 3I, 12I plus 7I, 19I, 12J minus 3J, 9J, 9J plus 1 is 10J. Therefore, the magnitude is 19 square plus 10 square. Nineteen square is 361. 10 square is 100. 100 plus 361 is 461. And square root of 461 is not the whole number, so left this answer in square root form. So this is question number 7. Very easy. Move to question number 8. P is equals to 7I minus 2J. Q is equals to I plus mu J. Find mu and find lambda and mu such that lambda P plus Q is equals to 36I minus 13J. So lambda P plus Q means lambda P is 7I minus 2J plus Q is I plus mu J. So lambda into 7 is 7 lambda I. Lambda into 2J is minus 2 lambda J plus I plus mu J. So 7 lambda I plus I minus 2 lambda J plus mu J. Taking I from these two, so 7 lambda plus 1 into I. Taking J, so it is minus 2 lambda plus mu J. And this lambda P plus Q according to question is equals to 36I minus 13J. Now if you compare the coefficient of I on left hand and right hand side, so it is 7 lambda plus 1 on left hand side and 36 on right hand side. Okay, so 7 lambda is equals to 36 minus 1 is 35. So 7 5s are 35. So lambda is equals to 5. Now find the value of mu. Compare the coefficient of J on left hand side. It is minus 12 lambda plus mu. On right hand side it is minus 13. So minus 2 into lambda is 5 plus mu is equals to minus 13. Minus 2 5s are minus 10 plus mu is equals to minus 13. Mu is equals to minus 13 plus 10, which is equals to minus 3. Hence mu is minus 3 and lambda is 5. This is our final answer of question number 8. Hope you understand and enjoy of question number 8. Move to last question of this exercise. Question number 9. A is equals to 5i minus 6j, B is equals to minus I plus 2j, C is equals to minus 13i plus 18j. Find lambda and mu such that lambda A plus mu B is equals to C. So lambda into A, it is 5i minus 6j plus mu into B is minus I plus 2j is equals to C minus 13i plus 18j. So lambda into 5 is 5 lambda I minus 6 lambda j minus mu I plus 2 mu j is equals to minus 13i plus 18j. So 5 lambda I minus mu I minus 6 lambda j plus 2 mu j is equals to minus 13 plus 18j. Taking I is common from these two, so 5 lambda minus mu into I, taking j from these two, so minus 6 lambda plus 2 mu j is equals to minus 13i plus 18j. Compare the coefficient of I on both sides. So on left hand side 5 lambda minus mu, on right hand side it is minus 13. This is equation number 1. And coefficient of j on left hand side minus 6 lambda plus 2 mu, on right hand side it is 18, equation number 2. Now these are simultaneous equation. Just multiply 2 by equation number 1. So 2 5s are 10 lambda, 2 into 2 mu, 2 13s are 26, and minus 6 lambda plus 2 mu is equals to 18, and add these two equations. 10 minus 6 is 4 lambda. This is cancel, minus 2 plus 2, and minus 26 plus 18 is minus 8, 4 to the 8. So lambda is equals to minus 2. Put this value of lambda in any one of the equation. I am putting in equation number 1, which is 5 lambda. Lambda is minus 2, minus mu is equals to minus 13. 5 to the minus 10, minus mu is equals to minus 13. So minus mu is equals to minus 13 plus 10. Minus mu is equals to minus 3, minus cancel by minus. So mu is 3. Hence our final answer is mu is 3 and lambda is minus 2. This is our final answer. And the good news is we finished the whole exercise, all questions, all parts in a single lecture. I always try to complete the exercise, the whole exercise in a single lecture, but sometime it is not possible. What next? For next lecture, the next topic is position vectors. Don't worry, very easy exercise and very important concept, especially in engineering concept, but very easy. How many questions? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, 15. Try to finish this whole exercise in 2 lectures. So student, this is our today's class where we finished exercise 13.1. Kindly do all question by yourself, and if you feel any difficulty, any problem, write in comment box. I will help you. Kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.